How to rename your Windows computer. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about a simple yet essential task, renaming your Windows computer. Whether you want to personalize it or make it easier to identify on a network, renaming your computer is quick and easy. Let's get started. First things first, let's open up the Settings menu. You can do this by clicking on the Start button and then clicking on the gear icon for settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, click on System. In the System settings, navigate to the About tab. Here, you'll find the current name of your computer. Click on Rename this PC. Go ahead and type in the new name you want. Once you've entered the new name, click on Next. Windows will then apply the new name to your computer. This may take a moment. Here click on Restart for the effects to take changes. Your Windows computer is now renamed. Remember, it's a good idea to choose a name that's easy to remember and relevant to you or your organization. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time.